Hi, it's Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be eating this Alampur Baneshan mango. I don't know a whole lot about Alampur Baneshan. I'm going to assume it's Indian because it has a very Indian sounding name. I also know we've had it before and it was very good.
Very good.
And we have put one in the ground based on what we had last time. And we got a number of mangoes that we had sitting on the counter. This one smells the best. It smells so good.
It really does. Fruity.
Peachy, pineapple. Just the smell. It smells very good. Now this one, it's a little bit harder.
Oh, do you want to wait a
well,
minute?
I think it's probably still good though. If it's, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
It's not hard.
I should have gotten a couple. This
it's
came
a little
from
firm.
Fruitscapes.
I tend to wait too long a lot of times though until they're mushy. I'm gonna try it because I think it's soft enough. Yeah, I think it's gonna be.
And I bought this yesterday at Fruitscapes on Pine Island. Oh, it's very light though.
Very light colored. Ooh, but open you can smell some resin, which is a good thing.
It looks like it's really sweet near the skin. You know, with lemon meringue, it's got that super deep yellow right near the skin, and that's like the best part.
Get as close as I can.
It just seems like when they have that really like thick yellow part, that's like the candy part. It smells so good. It actually on the inside smells more coconutty, like coconut, pineapple, pina colada kind of smell. Oh wow, it could have used an extra day, but that is still really good.
Yeah,
a lot of
it could have used an extra day.
Yeah.
It does have a lot of resin, which I think that would dissipate in another day. It does smell very resin coconut.
It's really complex and sweet. I think it would have been a little sweeter tomorrow and a little less resinous tomorrow. But I wish we had two of these trees.
This is very good. It's a very complex flavor. To me it's not overly sweet. It's not super sweet.
No, but I think it would be sweeter
It's
tomorrow.
well balanced. It's a well balanced mango because it has so many different things going on.
If you're new to mangoes, you might not like it.
Yeah.
Like you might like a more just lemon candy, coconut candy, mango candy flavor.
Yeah, it's not just a sweet, even two-tone or three-tone. There's like 5 or 6 tones going on in here. There's this little bit of a slight amount of like a pininess that's mixed with the resinous. There's some coconutty in there. There's
It's crazy how complex but balanced it is.
Yeah. And the texture, one more day, this would have been a little softer. I think it would have been even better.
Or it could have been picked a tiny bit early.
I mean, it just reminds me, it's of like, you know, an ice cream mango that's got some of these similarities to it. That's a good mango. It is complex. It's not a, I mean, you wouldn't want to make jelly out of this or anything. You wouldn't want to, it's,
I don't know that I would even put it in a smoothie.
Yeah, you don't want to lose this. If you mix this with other things, you would lose a lot of the subtleties. It reminds me a lot of ice cream mango, a little bit of that, the odorata that was my favorite last year, but again, it's certainly not for everyone. And I don't think everyone would like this one.
But it's really good.
It is a stronger flavor. That one had a little bit of the skin, and that's where that pininess is. And I don't like too much of that. You have to, but I think I did have a little bit. I can see a little bit of the skin.
But I feel like it's a 10 out of 10 mango.
This one
Is an 8.
is a 9, 8 or 9. But when if we'd given it another day,
Honestly, I just gotta bite those like super coconut candy.
Yeah.
It's really complex.
It's a really lot going on in this mango. It's an excellent mango. If you get a chance to try one, definitely do.
And get more than one. So if you eat it a day too early, you'll have another one.
Yeah, because this is underripe, and it's still a very good mango. But we do have one of these in the ground. It has not
It
produced
grows
yet.
back a lot.
Yeah,
So it's coming back above the graft.
so we're looking forward to maybe next year having our own, probably.
Oh, there
Year
are parts of this that are so ridiculously good. I mean, like if you could only have 5 mango trees, you should plant one of these, or ice cream, or Bombay, or like one of those that just is more complex.
Yeah.
And this might be my favorite of all of them. Like I think I even
'cause
like
it's a
this
good-
slightly above ice cream, slightly
Yeah,
above
because
Bombay.
it's just a good balance of, if you want a spicy, would you call this one spicy, I guess?
I guess,
I mean,
yeah.
it's
I
certainly
mean,
in
it's
the
got some of that
category
in
of
it,
Indian
yeah.
mango. It's not like it's not what you call a dessert mango, I guess. I mean, it's certainly
But
sweet,
yeah.
but it's there's just a lot going on in there that's
really good.
makes it
Actually,
fun.
this one is like a 9, and it would be a 10
Yeah.
tomorrow. I think.
So, anyway, that's Alampur Baneshan. Absolutely an excellent mango. If you can get your hands on one, definitely try it.
If you can get a tree and you like complex fruits.
I would taste this one before you plant one, because again, not everybody likes the complex
They
mangoes.
would in 5 years of eating mangoes.
I think so too. I didn't like ice cream at first. It was just too much,
Too strong.
too strong, too much going on. And then after you've eaten mangoes for a while, you really learn to appreciate the odorata. First time I tasted the odorata, I thought it was like kerosene, and it was like terrible, but I couldn't stop eating it. And then last year, it was my favorite one.
And
it
I'm still not
tasted
there.
like that, but it was just something about it. It's more almost an experience than it is just a taste.
Because this was an experience eating this.
There's more to it than just a single flavor. And those some of the other ones that we tried, just they're single tone. There's nothing wrong with it,
But they're boring.
An apple is single tone, a banana is
isn't
single
boring.
tone, and and they're good fruits, but mangoes are a little something different. And so, anyway, Alampur Baneshan, top tier.
It might actually be my favorite mango.
Well, there you have it.
Because
Taste
coconut
that
cream is good, but it's like predictable. And
Yeah.
this is really...
And coconut cream is, I would put maybe, maybe about 3 layers to a coconut cream.
Yeah.
But this is like I said, 5 or 6.
I was thinking even
depending on-
10. Like, it was really good.
Lots going on. Anyway,
Favorite mango.
new favorite mango for Celeste. Probably top 10 for me.
I want a second or third
I haven't
tree.
sat down and really thought about my top 10 in a long time, but
But if you could eat this or lemon meringue, what would you go for?
if this was perfectly ripened,
They're
I would
both
take this
perfectly
over
ripe.
lemon.
Yeah.
meringue. Yeah, I would.
So I think this might be like the best mango.
I'm nervous about going on record as saying that this is the best, but I certainly won't rule it out,
Yeah.
because it's very good. So,
Shout out to all the people in India breeding mangoes.
whoever Alampur Baneshan is, that I guess maybe this was,
So good.
I don't, maybe it means something. I don't know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
If you know
We
what,
don't know a lot of history of mangoes,
it's
so
probably Hindi, I guess, and I don't know any of that
we know
language,
nothing,
so.
and we don't want to be offensive to anyone.
Anyway, we will not be offensive by saying this is an excellent mango, and thank you for whoever
Yeah.
developed it.
And that it's here and available in the U.S. and tastes so good grown in the U.S. Because some mangoes
don't.
aren't as good when they're grown
Well,
in other countries.
and some mango varieties are different in Florida, East Coast and West Coast. So you just gotta.
I
the
wish
way
I
to do it
bought
is to
them
try it
all.
out.
I wish I had bought them all, even as high priced as mangoes are right now.
Yeah, it's been a bad year for mangoes, so they are at a premium. Anyway, that's Alampur Baneshan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back.